If you click on this video, that means God is telling me to tell you that you need to remind yourself of something very important. You know, when was the last time you ever checked yourself? Alright, if you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe. There's gonna be a topic of conversation today. Join the Inspired team. Let's get it, let's go. Number one, doing what you love is not a waste of time. I don't care if you sing, you dance, you rap, you draw, whatever it is that you want to do. Go ahead and do it. Don't worry about what anybody got to say about you. Just worry about what you have to say about yourself. You only have one life to live, so might as well live it to the fullest, right? Do not seek validation from anybody. Just seek validation for yourself and live your life to the best possible way you can live it. Bam. Doing what you love is like doing what your heart desires. So you might as well fuel the fire and go out and chase your dream and be the best version of yourself. Number two, you're more than things that has been done to you. If you've been treated poorly, you've been treated bad, don't let that dictate your future. Whatever happened in the past, if it can't be fixed in the future, just let it go. Don't dwell on something that's going to bring you pain, that's going to bring you stress, that's going to make you depressed. Try not to deal with anything that doesn't serve you any purpose in life. That's just going to be a waste of time. Life is short. Why be depressed and stressed when you can live your life to the fullest and elevate? Number three, if you're having a bad day, don't worry about it. Good things are going to come your way. I guarantee you that. Just stay positive. Focus on your goals and proposition. Be grateful, be kind, be generous. As long as you put in good energy out there, the universe is going to give it back to you tenfold. Number four, a block button. That's a powerful ass button. I can't believe people don't use it. Check it out, y'all. The block button is your best friend. If you got people harassing you, trolling you on social media, won't leave you alone. Every time you post a YouTube video, they under your comment saying negative things, stuff like that. You can always block them, You get rid of negative energy so you don't have to deal with it. You don't need to respond back, because if you do that, then you're just raising up their energy, and it's gonna drain your energy, and you don't need that. You know what I mean? Just stay positive. If somebody say anything bad about you, brush it off and block them. It's simple. Blocking button. Check it out. Use the block button. It's a very powerful tool. If someone says something that you don't like, block. You know what I mean? Skirt on their ass. Number five, I want you to understand that everybody's journey is different. Don't expect people to understand what you're going through if you guys got different purpose in life. One might be a basketball player and you might be a singer. You guys don't have anything in common. He shoot hoop and you sing on a mic. So check it out. That's why you gotta figure out your calling, what you're passionate about. Like, for example, me, I'm an empath. So my goal in life is to create YouTube video and to help you guys out, because I understand what people go through and I've been through it too. And I feel like it's better if you share common values so people can understand, situations or propaganda that's gonna happen or anything, you know what I mean? So I'm here to help you guys out, and we can learn from each other, grow from each other, because this channel right here is to get better, do better, and be better. So you haven't read it yet, just hit the subscribe button. Join the Inspired team. We inspire one another. Number six, it's never too late to do better. Don't feel like, you're getting a little older and you can't do the things that you used to love to do. If whatever you love to do, just go ahead and do it. Don't worry about what people say. You don't need to seek validation from anybody. Seek validation within yourself. Whatever makes your heart desire, whatever makes you passionate, go ahead and do it. It's never too late. If you want to be a singer, go ahead and sing. You want to be a rapper, go ahead and rap. As long as you're still breathing and still living in this earth, you can do whatever it is that you want to do. Think about that. Number seven, guys, it's going to be okay. Look, good and bad, high and low, up and down. We all go through it, right? But the only thing that matters is you pursuing what you're passionate about. You're not giving up. So go ahead. Live your life full throttle, but keep moving forward. Don't move backward. The only move backward, you try to do a moonwalk. But you ain't Michael Jackson, so keep going forward, okay? Number 8, y'all. 10, 20, 30% is better than 0%. As long as you're trying, as long as you're putting the effort, you're doing whatever you do, give yourself a pat on the back, congratulate yourself. But, taking initiative action to do something that you haven't done before, or you want to learn something, even if you fail at something, look, you can take it as a lesson. For example, if you want to make a free throw and you keep missing, and then you keep practicing, what's going to happen? You're going to keep making those free throws, right? So you might as well just give yourself a round of applause right now and just be like, look, I tried, and I'm going to get better, and I'm going to be better. That's it. So don't belittle yourself. Don't talk negative about yourself if you fail at something. It's okay. Everybody fail. But I want you to understand something. You are a winner. Facts. Number 9. I want you to understand that you are loved. You are talented. You are beautiful. You're smart. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. I want you to get up every morning and tell yourself that, okay? You're great. You are a king. You are a queen. You are the well-being that the universe needs. Okay? If you watch this video toward the ending, I just want to tell you guys that I hope you have a blessed day. And I just want to spread some positive message on my channel, This is a positive page. So many shit going on in this world, the pandemic and all this crazy stuff, all this negativity going on. Somebody got to be positive. So let's spread love and not hate. I see you guys on the next episode of Dragon Ball Z. Like, comment, subscribe. Join the Inspire team. Let's get it. Let's go.